guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a photo DIY. If you guys are interested how this turns out, please keep on watching. These are a few items I'm going to be using for my picture frame. I decided to go with a truck, a few animals. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. I'm going to need these paint brushes because I'm going to be painting something. You do need scissors, tape, glue. I decided to use some of the stickers that resemble things that my dad likes. And you're going to be needing your pictures. I use free prints because it is free for you to get pictures. They only charge you for delivery, but photos are free. If you guys are interested in using them, I will leave them linked below. That way you can get a free few photos if you do use my referral. And most important, you can't forget the picture frame that you're going to be using. I did decide to get this big picture frame here, but you can go as big or as small as you would like. Before getting started on the actual frame, we're going to be painting this truck here yellow. The reason why is because my dad does have a yellow truck, and ever since I was a child, he always wanted a yellow truck. So I'm going to do this before I start arranging the photos on the actual picture frame, because this is going to have to dry before I can assemble the whole frame. So we're going to go ahead and paint it. I did get yellow paint here, and I do have paint brushes here. This is how the truck looks right now with two coats of the paint. I still need to do the bottom side, so I'm going to let this on the side while I start assembling pictures on the actual frame, and then we'll get back to this towards the end once the top coat is a little bit more dry. This is where the fun begins. So you're going to want to go ahead and see how you're going to be assembling your pictures onto the actual frame. Like I mentioned before, I do get my pictures from free prints. They are 100% free. They only charge you for shipping, and I believe you can get your first 5 pictures for free, and they'll do free delivery also. These are the measurements of my picture frame. This is how the frame looks once you remove everything, but what you do want to do is keep the paper that came originally with it, and we're going to be applying all our pictures to this one here. That way when we put it all together, everything stays in place. So we're going to keep this one down here, and we're going to be moving the picture frame out of the way. So this here is what we're going to be working with and applying all our pictures. This is what you want to take your time with, because this is going to be the final result. I'm going to be using double-sided tape and glue to be sticking the pictures onto the actual paper itself. Photos are now taped onto the actual white paper that we left behind. I'm going to go ahead and move on to paint the truck one more time because I still need to do the back, so let's get started on that. The truck is completely dry on one side, so I'm going to go ahead and start painting the other side. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and start assembling the picture frame as its final product. This is going to go on the outside, so it's not going to make too much of a difference if I put it on now or later. So let's start putting the picture frame together. What we want to do first is get the backboard of the actual frame and put in our pictures on top of it. Now what we're going to do is get the actual frame itself and put it on. Now what I'm going to be adding is going to be some of these stickers that I purchased. I actually bought these at the dollar store. I'm going to be putting them on the outside layer of the actual frame with hot glue. And I'm also going to be adding some little animals onto the frame itself with some hot glue as well. This is the final look of the picture frame, and I think I did a pretty well job. You can see all the detail on the side, and the truck actually came out pretty nice. I did put our last name on there and then just added a little cow on top. But if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.